Hi everyone, I'm Sonal again, and today I'm going to show you how to record your meeting in the Microsoft Teams when you're conducting a meeting as an organizer. A very important feature, very useful if you are into a teaching profession and you want to keep your recorded sessions for different topics handy so that they can be reused for different purposes. You can create a library or you can share with your students who are not present in the meeting. So very useful feature that I'm going to show you today. So stay tuned. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to record your meeting in MS Teams. Very useful feature anywhere, either in business or in the classroom training, whether it's a virtual classroom or if you have a learning academy. So with this you can record your meeting and you can publish it to the people who have missed the meeting in the business or people who want to again listen to the important points. Or if you're in the classroom for a virtual meeting and your students have missed the session, if you have a recorded session, you can share with them. Or if you want to reuse it for the next session, you can simply reuse it in your absence with your assistant teacher. Very useful feature. And let's get started. Let's jump to the PC. I have already created a meeting. I am going to join this meeting. Now I'm going to share my screen and share the PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to share this presentation, how to record your meetings in MS Teams. So I'm going to show you not just how to record, but where to find the recording and then how to share that recording with your students or your team members in your organization. So let's get started. I'm going to go into the slideshow mode and I'm going to show you. So before I start the meeting, I will have to go here. If you see these are the three dots here where it says more actions, you just click here and you will find the option called start recording. So I'm going to push this button, start recording. Recording is started. It's a good idea to give heads up to the people that you are recording this session. If you are in United States, it's a law that you need to announce that the session is getting recorded so that participants know about it. So it's always a good idea to announce this that recording is already on and people can see on the top that this meeting is being recorded. Now I'm sharing my PowerPoint presentation. My entire presentation is getting recorded and I'm going to the slide 2 where I'm going to show you how to record the meeting in MS Teams. So as I just showed, it's just a process that I'm presenting here. So you just go on those three dots, click for the drop down and start recording. And after the meeting is over, very important point is stop recording, because in the past when I used this feature, I forgot to stop recording and my meeting went on for like 2 hours and I realized that my meeting recording was still on. This is something normally you forget that you have to go and stop recording. You can always edit the recording, but it is good to just go and stop the recording so that the recording is not on in the session. I'm going to the next slide. Now, where to find recording? So once the recording is done, it goes into the stream. So you can find the stream in the app section. So I will show you the app section, but I just wanted to show you that you get the recording in 3 different places. First, in the same meeting chat window, you will see the recording at the end. Once the meeting is over, I will show you that after this. Second, you can go to the apps and you can click on stream and you click on my content where you will see the recording. And third option, very easy option, you will receive a simple email saying your recording is ready in the stream and you just click on it and you go to the stream. Mind you that if your meeting is long, like sometimes I have meetings which are 1 hour long, recording takes time and you get so you tend to feel that my meeting recording is not done, but that is not the case because it takes time if the session is hour long. If you're giving some tutorial to your students and it's an hour long session, it is going to take time to come into the streams. So don't get afraid. And how do you share it? Very easy. You just right click on the recording which you see on the chat window, and you get the option open in Microsoft Teams, or you can share, or you can get the link and send it in the email. If you share it, it will go to all the participants who were attendee of the meeting, and they can open this with the link. So let's see in reality how it would be seen. So I'm going to stop recording, and so let me go to the Microsoft Teams, and I'm going to stop the recording now. I have stopped the recording, and as I said, I will see the recording in the chat section. So let's go here and see here in the chat section. You see that the recording is still kind of getting processed. So here is the option where you will get the recording. And if I just right click here, I will see all the options that I was talking about here. As you see, the options are here: share, get link, and open in Microsoft Stream. So because I have just recorded it, it's a long session for like 5 to 7 minutes. It is not yet done, but I will show you the recording of my another meeting which is already come here. So let me go for my another Microsoft Teams meeting where I will show you how so here is my previous session that I have recorded. Let me go here, and you will see my recorded session here in the chat window. So if I go here, if you see here, this meeting is already ended, and that's why my recording is already ready in the chat window. So if I just right click here, okay. So this is my previous meeting, how to present PowerPoint slides in MS Teams. And if you see, the recording is already here, and I see the option open in Microsoft Stream, share, get link. So it is simply that I click on share. I can share this recording with my audience. If I get link, I can actually send an email to all the participants that I wanted to share this, and send this recording with the email. And if I go here in the Microsoft Teams, let me show you that once I go to Microsoft Teams, I'm here on Microsoft Teams now. And here I'm going to go here in the apps. You see this option called stream. So if you click here, you go onto the stream, click on my content, and you see here videos. So if you see here, this is the current meeting which is just getting saved. This is my previous meeting, how to use presenter view in Microsoft Teams, and these are my previous sessions that I did and I had recorded. So here you can see it, and here you have an option here on the right hand side on the more actions. You can actually go here and you can save this to your device, or if you want to share this, you can just edit here whatever you want to edit here, add the details of the meeting, create a description, and then you can share it with your team members here. If you want to make it viewable to everybody, you can just click on this option, allow everyone in your company or in your organization or your academy, they can see it. You just apply and you will be able to do it, and then you just click on share, and it would be shared with everybody. So this is how you share the recording of your meeting. So I hope this session was useful. This is a very important and a key feature that you can use in any meetings or any tutorials that you're doing, either in the business organization or if you're in a teaching profession. Very useful for your students or your colleagues. I hope you found this session useful. So thank you so much for watching this video, how to record the meeting in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found it useful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of such video, then please subscribe to my channel. Stay current, and till we meet next time, Bye bye. Ciao.